Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Asana templates and workspace settings. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To uninstall Asana templates, start by logging into your Asana account. Navigate to the project where the template is located. Select the template you wish to uninstall. Click on the drop-down menu next to the template's name. Choose the Remove Template option. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Confirm that you want to remove the template. Now, to remove workspace settings, go to the workspace you want to modify. Click on the workspace name in the top left corner. Select Workspace Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings menu, locate the option you wish to change or remove. Make the necessary adjustments or click on the Remove button. Confirm your changes to finalize the removal. Remember, removing templates or workspace settings is permanent. Review your choices to ensure you want to proceed with the uninstallation. That's it. You've successfully uninstalled Asana templates and adjusted your workspace settings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.